This is Greg Troutwine with Maritime Reporter TV, and we're very pleased to be joined again by Patrick Ryan, who was just named the American Bureau of Shipping's Chief Technology Officer. Patrick, first and foremost, congratulations on your promotion.
Thank you very much, Greg.
So Patrick, how will your new CTO position differ materially from your current position?
Really, and frankly, the majority of my responsibilities are staying in place. So the leadership of the global engineering and technology teams is still intact. When I joined ABS a few years ago, my focus was very much on the internal transformation of ABS. And as we've advanced through that and we've had successes, my role has started to turn more outward facing clients more. And that's what garnered the change in title. So the material change really is more of an outward facing, more of a client focused and client relationship focused role than what I had previously, which is very technologically focused, internal to the Bureau.
So, I know ABS recently released its Technology Trends, Exploring the Future of Maritime Innovation. I have both the hard copy and the electronic version, and obviously there's a lot of meat within. So as you ascend to the top technology spot at ABS, what do you consider to be the single most important and immediately pressing trend facing ship owners today?
Yeah, so when we put out Tech Trends last December, we really focused on three big areas, as everyone would probably imagine: the green energy transition and digitalization, and then the third area, which maybe or not have been a surprise in the current environment, was on applied research. Now, to your question, which is the single most important, I would tend to say that due to the regulatory pressures, the green energy transition is the most important, with the other two being the areas where there's a lot of solutions and a lot of facilitation to how you're going to achieve your own digital transformation to achieve that green target, that green energy transition goal. So the single most important, green energy transition, but the other two certainly are important to help you get there.
So, and again, what is ABS doing today to help ship owners to navigate this and the myriad of other technical challenges that they face?
Yeah, so over the past several years, we've developed a lot of new services really around the class question, and not only around green energy, but also around digitalization and applied technologies. For example, the one that I'm very excited about is our Global Simulation Center, and that service really bridges all three. It helps with the digitalization. If you're not talking about autonomy, we're using that technology for green corridors, for modeling of new designs, to do the techno-economic analysis of the pivot to green energy. So there's lots of new technology applications that we're turning into services. So really, those new services are how ABS is really helping our clients navigate this landscape and these challenges.
I'm sure that you have many, but on your first day in the CTO seat, what do you consider your top priorities?
Yeah, so good question. I mean, when I heard about the title change, I started thinking, what do I want to be known as? What's my mark going to be? And what I really want to focus on is the bridging of technology from kind of that fundamental phase into operational solutions. You hear this in books called the Crossing the Chasm or the Technology Valley of Death, or other terms like this. And these cute terms really exist because there is a lot of challenge in taking a good technology and putting it into practice. But that's something throughout my career that I've really focused on. I think our team has done a tremendous job over the last several years, really focused on getting prototypes out into operations. And that will be my top priority in the new role.
Okay, well, Patrick, again, appreciate your time. Best of luck to you in the new position. And again, we look forward to working with you and the ABS team to talk about these very, in-depth technical challenges the maritime industry faces today.
Excellent. Thank you again so much, Greg, and happy to talk to you.